Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Rajasthan's Gig Workers Bill. Recently, the Rajasthan Assembly has passed the Rajasthan Platform-Based Gig Workers Bill 2023. It is a first of its kind bill for gig workers in the country. The bill extends social security to gig workers and aggregators in the state. In Rajasthan, the number of gig workers has increased to 3 to 4 lakh. The state government will be responsible for database and generation of a unique ID for the gig workers. A welfare board named the Rajasthan Platform-Based Gig Workers Welfare Board will be set up. The welfare board will have 2 members each from gig workers and aggregators, besides 2 civil servants. A fee in the form of platform-based gig workers fund and workers fee will be levied.